Officer Bradley was the kind of man who wore his badge like a crown, using it not to protect but to intimidate. Known for his arrogance, he often targeted innocent people, especially those he thought were too powerless to fight back. One afternoon, he pulled over a black woman named Angela Johnson. She was a respected lawyer, but Bradley didn't bother to check. He sneered at her, accused her of false violations, and treated her with open disrespect, believing she would fold under his authority. When Angela calmly challenged his baseless accusations, Bradley's pride was wounded. Instead of backing down, he wrote her multiple false citations and later dragged her case into court, thinking his word as an officer would easily crush her. What he didn't know was that Angela was not only a lawyer but also one of the top civil rights attorneys in the state. On the day of the trial, Bradley strutted into the courtroom with smug confidence, certain the judge would side with him. But when Angela stood up in her tailored suit, introducing herself as the defendant and legal counsel, the entire room fell silent. With calm precision, she presented evidence of his lies, dashcam footage, witness statements, and even records of similar complaints lodged against him. Every word she spoke was sharp, controlled, and backed by truth. Bradley's smugness melted into panic as the judge's expression hardened. By the end of the hearing, not only were Angela's charges dismissed, but Bradley's pattern of misconduct was officially under review. The judge even commended Angela for her courage and professionalism in exposing injustice. Humiliated and stripped of his false power, Bradley realized too late that he had picked the wrong woman to bully. Angela, on the other hand, walked out of the courtroom with her head held high, proving that intelligence, truth, and resilience will always outshine arrogance and prejudice. The community rallied around her, celebrating her victory as a reminder that no badge, no title, and no amount of arrogance could ever stand against justice when it is defended with courage. For the first time, Bradley learned that accountability doesn't care about a uniform, and Angela made sure the whole city saw it.